Hi guys, welcome back to our channel wherein we always share ideas and knowledge on how to learn and earn from the comfort of our homes. Thank you to those people who keep on tuning in. And if you're new to our channel, please like this video and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our uploads. Do you want to build money without borders? Instant, convenient, transparent, and eventually for free. Whether you want to pay, get paid, spend in any currency, wherever you are or whatever you're doing, Transferwise now Wise got you covered. Wise was launched in 2011 with the vision of making international money transfers affordable, fair, and simple. Today, their multi-currency account helps millions of people and businesses manage their money across the world. Explore the account used by 13 million people to live, work, travel, and transfer money worldwide. You can use money in your multi-currency account to send to any of the countries on Wise, and here are the countries that they are partnered with. You can go ahead and explore this page on their website. Now, in terms of account security, Wise is protecting you and your money. Every month, their customers trust them to move over 9 billion pounds of their money. Here are some of the important ways they protect them. First, safeguarded with leading banks. Wise holds your money with established financial institutions, so it's separate from their own accounts and in their normal course of business, not accessible to their partners. Audited regularly. They make sure your money is secure and that Wise is financially stable. As they are not a bank, your money isn't FSCS protected. Instead, they safeguard it. Next, data protection. Wise is committed to keeping your personal data safe, and they are transparent in how they collect, process, and store it. Regulated around the world. Wise is regulated by authorities around the world. This includes the FCA in the UK and FinCEN in the US. Extra secure transactions. Wise uses two-factor authentication to protect your account and transactions. That means you and only you can get to your money. And dedicated anti-fraud team. Wise works round the clock to keep your account money protected from even the most sophisticated fraud. In Wise, you can actually register in minutes. Sign up online or in their app with your email address or a Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Verify your identity. All you need to receive money or order a card is your government ID. And top up your account. You can add money using your bank account, Apple Pay, credit, or debit card. And you can definitely share your account details to get paid or spend around the world with your debit card. Now, to get started, let's go to our screen and go to their website. I will put the link in the description box for your reference. And this is how it looks like. Hit register and enter your email address to create your Wise account. And let's hit next. What kind of account would you like to open today? You can actually choose from personal account or business account. If it's personal account, you can actually send, spend, or receive around the world for less. For business account, you can do business or freelance work internationally. All right. So, your country or primary residence. So, verify your phone number with a code. So, make sure this is accurate. Verify your phone number with a code. So you must enter your phone number here, and then afterwards you will hit send verification code. Then go to your message inbox and enter the 6-digit code here. Alright, and then hit submit. Okay, and then afterwards, you will be creating your password. Your password must contain a letter and a number and be a minimum of 9 characters. Then hit continue. Go to your email afterwards and look for this message and then confirm your email. And then afterwards, email verified, hit continue. and then you will be receiving another message from Wise containing the 6-digit code. Enter that in here and then hit done. And then you will be directed to your Wise account like this. So you may go ahead and explore this page, all right? And you can definitely do multiple transactions here, all right? Now, there is definitely a better way to move your money across borders. There was no waiting, no stress, and no extra cost. That is called Wise. Create your account now. The link is in the description box below for your reference. Alright? That's actually about it for today. I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, suggestions, or any topics that you want us to create a video for you, please feel free to leave a message in the comment section below. We are very much happy to create a video for you. Please consider watching and sharing other videos in our channel too. Those are indeed helpful. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. See you in our next video. Bye!